G'day guys, we're going to do a little bit of a Christmas special today. I've got a present I'm going to make for a friend. Here we go.
Found a new use for the crane. Do some whacking.
Someone said it's a tiny dick.
Bit of a tight budget on this one.
So these are the old motors I'm going to quickly disassemble. This one here is it's out of a quad, I think, or a motorbike. It has got a manual clutch, but it's locked up from what I can tell, and there's all water and crud in there, so that one's definitely no good. So there'll be plenty of gears and piston and valves and bits and pieces in there that I can use, and old bearings. And this one is an outboard motor, a little twin cylinder type thing, a couple of coils, little carburetor, flywheel, all sorts of bits. So never pulled a marine engine at all apart, so that'll be a good learning for me. So we'll pull these apart and let's see what bits we can find to use my artistic flair, because I'm so creative like that. So here we go. So this is where we're at. 3 small engines later. We have a massive big crate of housings and alloy bits, and get good money for that on the scrapyard, maybe. And all these small pieces. So I've got all these small pieces and bolts and lots of little bits. So let's start getting some things and make it look like a little man. So here we go. Mucking around with all these bits and pieces and kind of getting a little bit frustrated, and a couple of different combos, and I've come up with carving a bit of a piston, giving it a couple of good whacks with a hammer, and I'm going to just mount it on to that little jiggle like that. Something like that anyway. Without taking the easy way out, it's taking the easy way out. So I've got a few cartridge rounds. I'm probably going to do the old stick it in the mouth sort of cigar looking thing, but I'll see how we go. Anyway, this is just a trial run, and if it comes out good, well, it'll be good. Anyway, see how we go. So all I use to carve out those eye sockets and the stuff on that piston, it's only aluminium. I just use this burr to get the sort of the eyeballs and the old stepper drill, so you don't have to worry about changing drill bits, and sort of do the different size holes in the mouth and things like that. And then finalise a lot of stuff with this this little tiny burr. It's only about 6 mm in diameter on the old drill. I do have a die grinder, but sick of having the compressor running all the time, and this is pretty easy. And then just sort of straighten anything up with a little old file. So that was the easiest way, just to carve it out of the piston, and it's a pretty good result. Yeah, so this little guy came out alright. Even that the hot glue with the heat gun turned out sort of looks a little bit bluish in there. Could have given it a bit of contrast. I put a Nico pen on the center part of the shells. A little sheriff's badge. What a neat little guy. So I think that's ready to go. Clear coat of varnish. Looks pretty neat for me first time anyway. And got to say, it wasn't that hard, especially because I didn't put that much into it. There's a little guy there sitting on my shoulder. Out of all those parts, I used a couple after all of that. I probably could have saved, I don't know, 2 engines. No. Anyway, so job's all done. So she's all finished and now ready to gift wrap. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.